How do we help schools choose digital content? My name is Michael Thompson, and I'm the Director of School Partnerships at Education Elements. In our previous video, you learned about blended learning, the various models, and some of the results. One of the important components of any blended learning environment is the availability of high-quality digital content. We pride ourselves on being thought leaders and experts in the curating and evaluating of this digital content. With our vast knowledge base, we are able to provide schools with targeted content recommendations that fit their needs, resources, and technical and data requirements. Every school we meet with asks us, what is the best content for my blended learning environment? It seems like there would be an obvious choice. Unfortunately, today that is not the case. There are dozens of different content providers, and just as no textbook is perfect, no singular content source provides a comprehensive solution. Presently, there is no one provider who provides content for all grade levels, all subjects, and in multiple learning modalities that is engaging for all levels and demographics. How do we determine which solutions work well for each school? Schools get hit up by salespeople all the time trying to sell their solution that will solve all the school's academic problems. There are buzzwords like adaptive, RTI, games, and individualization. Ultimately, a school should be concerned about how they make the most educated decision and what are the key non-negotiables when determining which content provider to select. Some of these criteria may include, will we use web-based products only? This decision is influenced by whether or not the school has appropriate bandwidth for web-based products. How important is adaptive content? How many hours of instruction are available in the content? If students are going to use the math program for 30 minutes a day, every day, for 180 days, then we need 90 hours of content. What criteria do we use? As we curate and evaluate digital content and other instructional technologies, we do a deep dive with each provider and keep a database using our rubric to help schools make better decisions. We look at the quality of the content from a student engagement perspective. We look at the amount and depth of data that they provide back to us to populate the teacher dashboard. Some providers only report back minimal amounts of performance data, while others provide data aligned to state and Common Core standards down to the level of each question. We look at the technology behind the system. Are they using legacy programs that have been merely repurposed for the web, or are they truly web-based? We look at their ability to effectively and efficiently provide integration with our system. We look at the breadth of their offerings. How deep can a student go into the content? Do they have enough material to engage a student in a full year's class? We look at and negotiate the pricing. Are they competitive for the material they offer, and can we get economies of scale for multiple schools? We look at their ability to customize and differentiate learning. Do all students receive the same material, or are there assessments and tools to individualize and adapt the curricula? We look at their instructional methodology. Is there a clear pedagogy to the program, or is the material drill and practice? We track and analyze all of the digital content providers against these criteria and others, and maintain a comprehensive knowledge base of information. When we begin working with a school, we determine their needs, and then we provide multiple recommendations for each subject area based upon these needs and our vast repository of content information. Through our knowledge and experience with content providers, we are able to provide unbiased, informed, and practical recommendations and integrations for a multitude of digital content sources.